I chose Beaumont's for their complete bathroom packages.
Expertly designed Beaumont bathroom packages you can change to suit. With tiles, taps, tubs, the loo, the lot from under $3,000. Incredible value. Right, Anthony? Beaumont's.
There's no denying that the bathroom can make or break a house. Even the most beautifully renovated home can be let down by a mediocre bathroom. Our renovation guru, Naomi Finlay, explains just how important it is to get this room right.
There's been a massive shift in the past sort of 10 years about how people view their bathroom spaces. They used to be literally somewhere to shower, somewhere to dry off and somewhere to get out of. Now people are treating their bathrooms as if they're an integrated part of the home and that they're somewhere that they want to spend time in. And so that means naturally that people are wanting to inject their personality in.
So we've sent Naomi to see if she can help out Mia, who's been taking on a major renovation on her home, but has hit a bit of a roadblock in the bathroom.
Taking on a renovation is so daunting because there's so much to consider. You've got the tiles and all the labour work and all the styling that goes on with it.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Yeah. That is large, I think is the best way to put it.
Yeah.
And 80s.
I know.
That takes up a quarter of the room.
Yeah.
If we got rid of that, that could be an epic space changer. And this vanity, it's quite small for like a 4-bedroom house, right?
Yeah, it is. So hopefully we can do something with that.
Especially if we get rid of these, who knows what we can do
There'll be
with
so
that.
much space.
And with the size of this bath, look what has happened to this poor shower.
Yeah, it's been squashed.
It's squashed and it's angled, which really dates it, as does this hob. I don't even think I'd be able to wash my feet in here. I don't think I'd be able to get down there. I'd end up headbutting a wall.
Yeah, it's pretty tiny when you're in there.
Now, there is some plus sides here. You have beautiful natural light.
Yes.
You actually have quite a big footprint.
Yes.
So I'm confident with a bit of a layout change, some amazing tiles, fixtures and finishes, we can make this a phenomenal space for you.
Definitely be great.
Let's go. There's a bit of homework we have to do first.
Great.
Now, we've seen the bathroom. You have like a style in mind. Do you know your style or what you want?
Oh, we've been searching for ages on Instagram,
Pinterest,
all those things on the web, and we just can't find exactly what we want.
Okay, so I have the answer for you.
Okay.
I worked with the Beaumont Tiles team for months on this amazing tool.
Okay.
So it's going to help you pinpoint your style of exactly what you want, honing that down. How does that sound?
Oh, sounds great. That's exactly what I need.
Let's have a go. What sort of chairs are you drawn to?
I'd probably go more something like this. This one.
Of all of these, which one do you think you'd be most at home in?
This one.
All right, drum roll, literally. So you're modern, primarily with a big splash of industrial.
Yeah, it's really surprising. I knew I was modern, but yeah, it's really surprising, the industrial. I really like it.
Have we nailed it?
I think we have. It's fantastic.
Looking to discover your perfect style and get your reno underway? A great way to start is with Beaumont's What's My Style quiz. It's jam-packed with inspired designs, style advice and knockout products to help you renovate and style like a star.
It's so good, it's so good, it's so good.
Simon, you're constantly leaving your wet towels and your wetsuits on the ground.
It's true, and it's really annoying me because it's leaving this massive white stain on my timber floors.
So the water will damage your timber floors. The water will get under lino and pop it and make all these bubbles, and the water will absolutely destroy carpet. You'll never get the smell out. Tiles are the answer, man.
Yeah, and whether you got pets like me that just do whatever they want, kids like you that spew everywhere.
A leaky dishwasher. Tiles are waterproof. They're the perfect solution. Quick cleanup, good to go.
Naomi and Mia are now on the hunt for some modern industrial products to get her bathroom reno underway.
We are looking in the grey tones and some of those darker tones that you're looking at, but we're also looking for the exposed, I guess that raw, that real material orientated finish. Look, Look at these beautiful large format tiles. This Savoia one from Italy, it's definitely nailed the modern element that you're looking for, but it is really large format. So we've then paired that large format with this one from ITT Ceramic. Now that's pretty hardcore industrial, Mia.
Yeah, I'd have to be pretty brave to go with something like this, but it's definitely an option.
Okay, let's keep it in the mix and we'll see what else we come up with.
Okay.
Wow.
That's brave.
Really pared back modern with a splash, literally, on the wall
Yeah, it's quite
of industrial. It's good.
Looks good.
Mia has asked for all the help she can get to bring her bathroom out of the 80s and into the 21st century. So we've brought in interior design brothers Simon and Shannan to help bring her modern industrial bathroom to life.
Modern industrial, I take the word modern, industrial, the two looks and try and mesh them together.
You nailed it. No, you nailed it. It's a little bit of, there's elements that are sort of rustic and hard and industrial,
Yeah.
with the sleek, new, modern, making it sexy, bringing the two together.
After creating a short list of tiles with Naomi, the boys are going to help Mia make the final decision.
Okay, Mia, so you've done the What's My Style quiz with Naomi.
Yes.
And you've landed on modern industrial.
Yes.
Which is us. Modern, industrial.
Yeah, you swap that around. Simon's a little bit sort of shabby, industrial warehousey, and I'm a bit more refined, you could say.
Well, this is good because I need all the help I can get with making these choices.
We've got 3 beautiful selections here. I think we just need to sort of nut that down to 1.
Okay.
So option 1, you've got some really big, large format tiles.
Yep.
And it's all rectified edge, so it means that it's a minimal grout line as possible, just creates that kind of seamless look. You've got your massive, bold feature tile.
It's going to bring a lot of character into your space, that feature tile.
Yeah.
Yeah. So option 2, we've got these beautiful 800 by 800 Spanish tiles.
Yep.
They're called volcanic ash. Got a lot of character in them, and that large format's really on trend at the moment. And an Italian tile from a company called Savoia brings a bit of a strong look and a sort of a darker look that will ground your floors a lot.
Yeah, they go well together.
Really bring your space together.
Yeah.
Because the greys in this tile really pop with the greys in the floor tile.
Yeah.
I think it'll look really, really nice. Choice number 3 is beautiful sort of stone look floor tiles with a larger format wall tile. And they're very neutral palette and it's going to open up this space a lot.
Okay.
So the great thing about this tile is that you can lay them horizontally. It really stretches out the room.
Yep.
Or vertically, and it makes it look taller than it actually is.
You've got a bit of texture in there too, which creates a lot of character in your space.
it's quite different, isn't it?
It's very cool.
Yeah.
I love all 3 of them. We can only pick one.
Oh, what do you think?
Because it's your home, I would steer away from such a dramatic tile.
Yeah, this one
in a homely
it's quite
space.
industrial. It'd be hard to live with every day.
It might be better suited to a commercial or a restaurant, you know, something you only visit for brief periods.
Yeah.
I can't go past this one.
Yeah,
I love
it
it.
is good.
Oh, it's beautiful
It's
tile.
got a great mixture in there, doesn't it?
All right, Mia, it's crunch time.
Yep.
Decision. What to choose?
Go to the middle one.
I think this will definitely be the best option.
Yes!
I think it'll work really well together.
It's going to be hot. So let's go to Beaumont to make an order.
All right, let's do it.
Love it.
I'm here with Jamie from ADP and we're talking all things taps. Jamie, give me some insight. What colours and shapes are people really vibing on this season?
So at the moment, we've got heaps of different colours. We've got polished finishes, brushed finishes, all sticking to a lot of industrial kind of boutique styling that's going on. So a lot of the slimline taps are really in at the moment. A lot of brushed gunmetal kind of finishes as well.
I love the gunmetal.
Yeah.
Now, I've been shopping previously with Mia around her tapware and she was a huge fan of this martini range.
Yes.
So she was to go down that track. What would be some of the benefits of that unit?
Yeah, well, she chose the black, which is perfect for that more industrial feel. The Martini tap, it's got 15 years warranty on the cartridge.
Fantastic.
It's really good quality tap, and the fashion, it's gonna stay in for ages. It's gonna last the distance.
I think everyone's going to be happy with
I
that.
think so, yes.
Tiling has begun in Mia's bathroom, and Simon and Shannan are back for a sneaky peek.
Simon, floors are down.
It's great. They've just got a grout. I can really see it coming together.
This looks schmick already.
Yeah, really nice.
And the wall tile, I think it's really going to tie in well with the floor.
And I can see what you're saying. It's got the same colour in the wall as the floor. It's going to really pop.
Okay, because you're a big-time reality TV star,
I don't know, ever.
Popped in our local Beaumonts and picked up some hot Jamie J tapware.
Yeah,
this stuff is nice.
And I guess the number one tip, because I'm the plumber, right? So you need to pick out your tapware before you start renovation, because that determines where your plumbing fixture is going to be in the...
And you're going to let your plumber know what tapware you're going to use,
But you get what you pay for, and these are solid tapware.
We've got some matte black fittings, a little pop of chrome.
Beautiful.
I think these are going to work really well with our tile choices.
We're here today with Michael from Timberline, and we are looking at getting the perfect customised solution for a vanity for Mia's bathroom in that beautiful modern with a splash of industrial look. So I'm loving what I'm seeing so far on the visualiser. Can you run me through what we've come up with?
Absolutely. Hitting on that modern industrial theme, and we've selected a satin matte black finish.
Nice.
So really nice.
It's very pared back.
Absolutely, yeah. It's a stunning looking unit there. But with this tool, we can change the colours and change these tops until you're happy with the look we get here.
Now, am I right in saying you've actually integrated the shaving cabinet with the vanity? Because I can see that there's some matte black up there.
Absolutely. We've matched the sides of the shaving cabinet there, matte black, with the cabinet below. But again, because we're custom making these, it doesn't have to be the case.
Sky's the limit.
Any colour.
I am loving that look and feel for that bathroom though, so I think you're on the money.
Fantastic.
It's so good. It's so good. It's so good.
No one likes housework. It eats into my family time and it eats into your...
Surfing time?
Whatever it is you do. Tiles are hassle-free, man. So carpet, you're going to have to get steam cleaned and dry cleaned every so often to get rid of all the gunk. Timber needs a varnish and a re-nail every now and then, which is expensive and time-consuming.
Yeah.
Tiles?
Nothing. Give them a good clean, comes up as new.
Even you can do that.
Looking good, looking good.
I'm here with Jono from Ardex today, and that's because, Jono, other than the pretty things in the tiling world, there's quite a lot to think about.
Absolutely.
So give me some of the top 3 things that I need to think about when I'm tiling, apart from the amazing tiles.
So you need to be thinking about your foundations, your substrates.
Okay, so that's what I'm tiling onto.
Correct.
Okay.
Then you need to be thinking about what you're tiling with, so what you're going to bond the tiles to.
So how I'm going to stick them down.
Exactly. What
Okay.
adhesives you're going to use. And then what you're going to finish them off with, the grouts, for example.
Now I'm getting excited because there are so many grout options.
That's right.
Okay, Jono, are there any tools that you can point us to that can help when you're working out all these different things?
Absolutely. On the abaaustralia.com.au website, we've got a product selector where you can choose your product.
Cool, so if I know what my foundation is and what tile I'm putting on top, this can tell me exactly what adhesives I need.
You can play with different colours of grout to see how it's going to look next to those
So it's going to
tiles.
completely simulate the look and finish and tell me how much grout I need.
Yeah.
That's great. So if you're looking to DIY it or you're just looking to check out your grout colours, the ABA website is a must.
Naomi has found the perfect vanity to go with the bold industrial tiles from Beaumont's. And now it's time for Simon and Shannan's final touch of styling to bring it all together.
Ah, it's looking good. How's this?
Wow, I love that tile.
And the grouts come up really nice.
Yeah.
This looks great. I think Mia will be stoked with this.
Nice storage.
Plenty of it. You could fit all your hair products in there,
Oh,
son.
look at those 2 good-looking roosters, eh?
You put your wax and your perm materials. I think Mia's going to be here soon.
Yep.
Let's give this space a bit of character, a bit of life.
Get to it.
I think towels will go in the towel rack.
Yeah, that's a great idea, Shannon. You really are good at your job.
So we're really loving the industrial look we created for Mia upstairs.
And it's a little bit like us, you know, rugged.
A bit of black features.
Yeah.
But with all that industrial, you really need to soften it, and that's where the texture in those big 800 by 800 tiles come in. It's luxurious, it's big, and I think it's going to be a nice point of difference. Bit of ambiance. There you go. Do you need to know how to light a candle?
It's quite hot.
Nice.
Smoking.
Good job. Good job.
I'm not really nervous that Mia's about to come and
No?
look at the final product.
I'm a
I'm
little bit.
kind of hanging my hat on your skills.
I think it's exciting. There's a little bit of nerves there, but it's exciting to show Mia her new space, her personal space, you know. This is what she's going to have for a long time. Is she going to love it? Is she not? I think she'll love it. It's a good space.
Towels go there.
Out in the middle, because you got to view it as outdoor.
No, because that's...
All right, boys, knock it off. Mia's here. What do you think?
Wow, this
Surprise.
is amazing. It's so much bigger.
You look boggled.
That's a good sign. That's a good
Such a
sign.
massive transformation from what we had before. The old tub that was so drab and but this is just, it's amazing. I love these tiles.
Yeah, so the 800 by 800 tile that we picked, the big format, really bring a sense of luxury, and the lighter tones and texture bring plenty of life to the space.
Wow, looks fantastic.
And then
well
you
done,
have those really sophisticated elements like this gorgeous contrasty black vanity, which kind of just finish it off, and it weaves in the industrial feel without being too overwhelming to the rest of the home.
Yeah.
So I think the team has smashed this one.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah, well done, boys.
Approved.
Yeah,
Well,
definitely.
High five.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I got left out of the five. Jeez.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So when we work with clients like Mia, it's really nice to go on the journey with them. It's nice to see that initial stages of finding out what their style is and finding a bit of direction and helping them through that phase.
Yeah, I love when you first meet them. They got all these ideas, different ideas, but they can't narrow it down. And I love how they put their trust on us. And they, you know, sometimes they don't get it, but they're always at the end product, they're stoked with what we pick out.
Yeah, so that's the great thing about Beaumont's. Not only do they help you with the tile selections, but they'll create a whole mood board for your bathroom. So that's your lighting, your paint colours,
Furnishings.
and your fixtures, and it's really a one-stop shop.
Sani Ceramic Group is the editor of its own ceramics. Through the ITT Ceramics and Arc Them Supersize, they offer a wide range of products with a complete variety of designs, format and finishes, which are present in countries all over the world. Quality and innovation are its hallmarks. Following current market trends and always with 100% made in Spain mark, ITT Ceramics conceives the ceramic product as a fundamental element in every architecture, interior design and/or decoration project, and as a determining material in the conception of the living space. In the showroom of the Sani Ceramic Group headquarters in Spain, in the nerve centre of the Spanish ceramic manufacturing, the suitability of each application can be verified in situ, whether as a floor or a wall covering, in ventilated facades or as a kitchen countertop. For more information, visit www.ittceramic.com.
Lee and Susie wanted to add a second story with a new master bedroom and ensuite, but they seem to have hit a bit of a roadblock in the ensuite.
There's a build schedule that has to be done.
Right, he chose this? Wow, amazing.